Hey guys, if you're looking for how you can download and install Node.js and NPM, then you are in the right place. Watch this video until the end because I'm about to show you step-by-step process to download and install the latest version of Node.js and NPM from the official website on your Windows 10 machine correctly. And I'm also gonna show you how you can verify the version of Node.js and NPM installed on your computer. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to download and install Node.js. To download it, copy this link. I have provided this link in the video description. Now, open up your favorite web browser. I am using Google Chrome here. Then paste the copied link into the search bar and hit enter. This is the official page for downloading the latest version of Node.js and NPM for all operating systems. Since we are using Windows 10, so we will select Windows Installer. It's available for both 32 and 64-bit. I'm having a 64-bit system, so I'll click on this 64-bit button. And now you can see our Node.js installer file is started downloading here. It will take some time to download. Once the downloads get finished, click on this up arrow and select Show in Folder. We need to install this file. Simply double-click on this file and it will start the setup wizard. Let me close all other windows so that we can focus on installation part. It says, "Welcome to the Node.js setup wizard," and this setup wizard will install Node.js on your computer. Click on Next button. Accept the end user license agreement. Then click on Next button. No need to change installation folder, we'll just stick to default and press on Next button. Click on Next and finally click on Install button. It will take some time to install. It says Node.js has been successfully installed. Now we can click on Finish button. Good job. Now let's check Node is working or not. Click on Windows button, then type cmd, then click on Command Prompt. Now let's first check for Node.js version. Here type node space -- version and press enter. As you can see, we have the latest Node.js version installed here. Now let's check for NPM. Type npm space -- version and hit enter. As you can see, we have the latest version of NPM installed here. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Node.js and NPM on your Windows 10 machine correctly. Now you can configure Visual Studio Code for running JavaScript programs, and you can run all other softwares which requires Node.js. If you followed the steps in this video and reach until here, I'm assuming this method has been working for you. So I'm requesting you to please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It won't cost you anything, but it will definitely boost my morale for making more such videos. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you to learn how to code and become a successful programmer. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.